Hello and welcome back to Snapshots. I'm Rob and today we're reviewing the Huawei Nova Y60. But before we continue, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech news. The Huawei Nova Y60 entered the South African market on 1 September. Like its name suggests, this device has plenty of bright spots for anyone on the lookout for great specs on a budget. I've mentioned the word budget a few times now, but trust me, the only budget aspect of this beaut is the affordable price tag. This device packs a punch with a 6.6-inch HD 1600 by 720 pixel display, perfect for watching your favorite shows and videos on. As we've come to expect from the Huawei, the Nova's Y60 exterior does not disappoint. Available in midnight black and crushed green, the sheer on the plastic finish gives the Y60 a high-end, top-of-the-range feel while still giving you a lightweight device to play around with. The Nova Y60 has a responsive side-mounted fingerprint scanner and the added security protection of FaceID. The volume buttons are also fitted to the phone side with a C-type charging port and a 3.5mm headphone jack for those of us who haven't gone wireless yet, located at the bottom of the device. If you prefer to go headphoneless, the Y60's Histon 6.1 audio tech with panoramic 3D sound enhancement gives enough juice without sounding tinny. That's enough storage space to hold over 2000 pics. Equally impressive is the Nova Y60 charging habits. It comes set with a 5000 mAh battery and can give you up to 15 hours straight of online video content on a full single charge. No matter your budget, the Huawei camera always delivers. While it will obviously differ from the brand's higher-end designs, the Y60's triple AI camera does a great job of holding its own. The device comes with a 13 megapixel triple AI main camera, a 5 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, and a 2 megapixel depth camera. The selfie camera is an 8 megapixel shooter, which handles low light conditions really well, and the end results are always really crisp and defined, perfect for uploading to the gram. So what's the verdict? It's stylish with slick camera specs and doesn't burn a hole in your pocket. The Huawei Nova Y60 might just be the shooter star that you've been waiting for. Well, that's this episode of Mondo Snapshots. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more news, and I'll catch you next time.